Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start our second chapter. Chapter name is Ghaznavid rule. It started in 962 and ended in 1186 CE. CE stands for Common Era. In this chapter we will explain the beginning of Ghaznavid rule. We will study about Mahmud Ghaznavi and describe all his achievement and his contributions to strengthening Muslim power in India. But before we start chapter, first of all, I'll give you introduction of Ghaznavid rule. Ghaznavid rule started from 962 and ended in 1186. Before it, Muhammad bin Qasim came on the subcontinent and spread Islam. Before Muhammad bin Qasim, there was too much problem on the subcontinent, like in 18th century routes of Arabian Sea was not safe, etc. You can read from first chapter all troubles and all difficulties. Okay, now come to this chapter and we will start from page number 5, its first paragraph and first line. Alaptagin founded the Ghaznavid rule. He was a Turkish commander in the Persian army. In 962 CE, he succeeded his father and became the governor of Ghazni in Afghanistan. Alaptagin founded the Ghaznavid rule means सबसे पहले गजनवीद रूल जो है मोहम्मद बिन कासिम के बाद वो अलप्तगीन ने फाउंड किया, तलाश किया. और इसमें हम एक क्वेश्चन भी बना सकते हैं. वी कैन मेक वन क्वेश्चन हियर दैट हु फाउंडेड गजनवीद रूल. एज आई हैव मेड ऑन इन माई नोट्स, यू कैन चेक फ्रॉम देयर एज वेल. And next I have made question that write note on the Ghaznavid rule. We will start from first line, second sentence. He was the तुर्किश कमांडर इन द पर्शियन आर्मी, कि वो पर्शियन फारसी की जो आर्मी थी वहाँ पर वो कमांडर की हैसियत से था. और 1962 उसने अपने बाद की तमाम जो गवर्नर थी गजनी की अफ़गानिस्तान में वो उससे ले ली. एंड ही वॉज द ब्रेव लीडर, वो एक बहादुर रहनुमा भी था. एंड मैनेज टू कंट्रोल द फोर्ट ऑफ गजनी. फोर्ट किले को कहते हैं गजनी, विद द स्मॉल बट वेल ट्रेंड आर्मी. उसके पास आर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लेकिन बहुत अच्छी हुनर वाली थी. यहाँ तक हम अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर लिखेंगे. राइट नोट ऑन गजनवीद रूल्ड. दीज 4 लाइन्स are the answer of the second question, and this paragraph is very much important as well. He continued to rule independently until his death. In this line we can check that in 976 CE he died. Okay, and after his death his former slave and son-in-law Sabakhtagin was his son-in-law and he took over his reign. Sabakhtagin was son-in-law of Alaptagin and he took over the reign of Alaptagin. Sabakhtagin was very brave and competent leader. Okay, you can make question here that who was Sabakhtagin. And Ghaznavid became strong Muslim state under his rule. Soon neighboring Hindu kingdoms began to feel threatened. They rose up against the Turks. वो तुर्क्स के खिलाफ जो है वो खड़े हुए. And Sabukhtagin managed to defeat all attacks by his allied kingdom and extending the boundaries of his empire. उसके आगे जो भी आया जिसने भी इसकी मुखालफत करने की कोशिश की उसने अपनी allied kingdom के साथ अपनी ताकत के साथ उनको जो है हराया. और उसी तरीके से उसने अपनी जो बाउंड्रीज थी, अपनी जो हदूद थी हुक्मरानी की, उसको एक्सटेंड किया, मतलब उसको बढ़ाया. ही इज़ रिमेंबर्ड एज द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम टू एंटर द सब कॉन्टिनेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ. फर्स्टली मोहम्मद बिन कासिम वॉज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु केम ऑन सब कॉन्टिनेंट, बट ही हैज़ कम फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ in the subcontinent and he was the first who has come from the north. Sabakhtagin died in 997 and he has given his kingdom to Mahmud. In next lecture we will study about Mahmud of Ghazni, but for this lecture you will study all these points and all these questions which I have given you through notes. So read and study all these questions and learn. Allah Hafiz.